model your way. So Igbo people are also adaptable. What that means is that it's winter now. If you go to Antarctica, that is one of the coldest places on earth, one on the chamat there. Other than make business. One person from Imo State that is telling you he's doing 10 degrees. And he's going to get his PhD in some course that you've never heard before. Power to be able to migrate, to look at how we migrate to other regions in Nigeria. That is actually a superpower. It means that an Igbo person can forego the discomfort of whether it's tribalism, whether it's a feeling of satisfaction, to be able to go to another community. You also see develop or make business. Yeah, you even see it in America as well. Any community you go to in America that is non-black, you must see an Igbo family in that neighborhood. My family is one of those people.
As a very good analyst, Wike, a guy there through the Biafra of Wazirike, Mazob, Nnamdi Kanu, IPOB, and Simon Ekpa, I think BL, something like that. What is your standpoint on these people and how they went about it?
I think that one of the challenges I read was that because of the trauma of the war, our foreparents and our foreruncles and the people who experienced the war, they didn't tell our story in full detail. One of the challenges that most African societies have always had is because we didn't document our stories, other people had to tell it for us. We were able to focus on the emotion of Biafra, and that is what somebody like Wazirike first tapped into in 1999 when he started his own version of Masob. And Ogaho, 1999 is when Obasanjo came in. Ogaho, Igbo had been going through this hard journey of integrating back after the war. So as we were integrating, 1999 comes, we have this new democracy. We are seeing appointments now, left and right on Igbo. It was emotions. We must restore. Or within myself. And at the time, that's Igbo and an opportunity to say, okay, we have not had time to sit and have that conversation amongst ourselves. Wazirike Bido myself. Between 1999 and 2006, there is not one good thing that any Igbo person during that time. Okay. One of the things that made myself not be as destructive was because the internet wasn't what it is today. Then Igbo people can look politically and see representations of them in the government. Meanwhile, in Nigeria, in this thing where you are seeing representations of you in the government and seeing a way in and a way out. But you're doing succession at the one end. So at the time you're talking about succeeding, one day you was one